What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial outlines how to obtain the Bloodrend and Deepwoken, a popular game on Roblox. Bloodrend is a powerful weapon that can enhance your gameplay, especially in PvP scenarios. By following the steps, you'll be equipped to acquire this item efficiently. Ensure your character is at a suitable level for challenges ahead. A higher level increases your chances of success. Equip strong weapons and armor. Skills that boost your combat effectiveness are crucial. Stock up on health potions and consumable to sustain yourself during battles. Travel to the designated area where the Blood Rune Merchant is located. This NPC is essential for the quest. Speak to the merchant to initiate the quest related to Bloodrend. Pay attention to the dialogue for vital clues. The merchant will provide specific tasks. Make sure to understand what is required. You may need to defeat certain monsters or bosses to collect necessary items, focusing on targeting weaker enemies first to build confidence, and using effective combat strategies such as dodging and parrying. As you defeat enemies, look out for specific drops that are part of the Bloodrend requirement. Ensure you have enough space in your inventory to collect the items. Discard the necessary items if needed. Once you have all the required items, return to the Blood Rune Merchant, exchange the items for Bloodrend. Confirm the transaction by following any prompts. Open your inventory and equip Bloodrend. Engage in combat to familiarize yourself with the weapon's strengths and weaknesses. Focus on learning its attack patterns and practicing combos and effective use in PvP settings. Congratulations, you now have Bloodrend and Deepwoken. This powerful weapon will enhance your gameplay experience. Remember to continuously level up and improve your skills, explore further challenges, and improve your combat tactics to master the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.